In this video, I'll show you how to create an email account or email accounts for your WordPress blog inside the cPanel. Now we are still continuing with a series of these videos and I just thought I'll drop in how you can create an email account. So here's our website, everydayfamilynutrition.com. We'll just come into email inside the cPanel, and then I'll just click on email accounts, and by default there's going to be an email account for the particular account that you have. So let us say we want to create a new account. Just come to create, and this is going to give you the different options available. So for example, you can enter your email address username here. Let's say we want to call it, you can have a name, for example, David at Everyday Family Nutrition, info at Everyday Family Nutrition, admin at everydayfamilynutrition.com, etc. Let's say we want to call it info at everydayfamilynutrition.com. Info, this is what we have, info at everydayfamilynutrition.com. You can set the password, send login link to alternate email address, etc. Now, if you don't have a password that is strong enough, right at the top of your head, you can just click on generate, and you're going to get a new password generated for you via this particular option, which is a pretty strong password. And I've blurred it out, but it's a strong password. So I can just copy it so that I don't forget it. And then since that is what we want to do, we can just click on create. Just creating email account. And once the email account is created, it's going to be ready for use. So you can start even sending people emails via that particular option as you create your website. We can just close this out, and it's info at everydayfamilynutrition.com and restricted 0 bytes of about a GB, and we can just click on check email. So we can see the email that we have. Here is the email address. You can just check all these things out. You can show the default option that will be opening up this email. You can change your password and security and all that. But let us just say we just click on the round cube option, the open source web email software. Just click on open so that we can see the default layout of our email address once we start receiving and sending emails to other people out there. So it's populating the round cube setup for us. Let's just give it a couple of seconds, and we'll be inside our email address where we can begin sending and receiving emails even before we are done creating our website, where we need to set up the theme, the plugins, write blog posts, etc. So here we go. That's our first option here, and we have the client configuration email, and you'll get this particular email address and all that. All this information is sent to you. It's your first time, etc. But this is your email. You can now compose emails, get emails, add contacts, trash, set up a calendar, do any settings that you need for this. Once you're done with all that, you can always log out from your email address, and it takes you back to the webmail login portal for your for your email address. So that's how to create an email account in cPanel for WordPress. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.